Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to flip a house. First, understand that the initial purchase price is often the most significant investment, typically representing 60 to 70% of your total budget. Next, factor in renovation expenses, which can range from minor cosmetic updates to major structural overhauls. Don't forget holding costs like utilities and insurance, which add up over several months. Finally, anticipate selling expenses, including real estate agent commissions and closing costs, which can be around 8 to 10% of the sale price. Let's dive deeper into the initial outlay. The actual purchase price of the property is your biggest hurdle, often dictating the project's scale. Beyond that, you'll encounter various acquisition costs. Closing costs, for instance, typically range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price, covering items like title insurance and escrow fees. If you're financing, expect loan origination fees, usually 1 to 3% of the loan amount. Remember to account for initial property taxes and insurance premiums as well. Now let's talk about the heart of house flipping, renovations. The cost here varies immensely. For light cosmetic updates, you might spend $15,000 to $25,000 on paint, flooring, and fixtures. However, a full gut renovation, including kitchen and bathroom remodels, could easily push costs past $75,000. Always budget an extra 10 to 15% for unexpected issues, as they almost always arise. Don't forget permit fees and professional inspections, which are essential for compliance and safety. Finally, we consider the ongoing and exit expenses. Holding costs, such as property taxes, insurance, and utilities, accumulate monthly while the house is vacant and under renovation. These can easily add up to several hundred or even a few $1,000s each month. When it's time to sell, expect significant selling costs. Real estate agent commissions typically range from 5 to 6% of the sale price, and seller closing costs, like transfer taxes and escrow fees, usually add another 2 to 4%. These factors directly impact your final profit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.